wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salwa. I am from 10th grade accounting 2. Today I want to show my presentation about ecosystem.
Ecosystem. Ecosystem definition. The notion of ecosystem itself is an ecological system formed from a system or reciprocal relationship that cannot be separated between living things and the environment. This term was first introduced by a British ecologist named A.G. Tinsley. According to Tinsley, the reciprocal relationship between living organisms and their environment is a relationship that cannot be separated from one another. If there is a disturbance in one of its components, the disturbance will affect the other component. Ecosystem component. Number 1 is biotic components. Biotic components are components of environment consisting of living things. In essence, living things can be classified based on certain types. For example, humans, animals, and plants. Living things based on their size are classified into microorganisms and macroorganisms. 2. Abiotic components. Abiotic is a term usually used to describe something that is not living or inanimate objects. Abiotic components are components of an ecosystem consisting of non-living objects. Ecosystem type. The ecosystem is divided into 3, namely, number 1 is terrestrial ecosystem. This terrestrial ecosystem is an ecosystem. This is determined by temperature and rainfall. It has many properties, climate, and a place where various kinds of living things gather. The land economy includes deserts, grassland, or tropical rainforest. 2. Aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem whose environment is dominated by waterways. This ecosystem can be affected by incoming sunlight. This ecosystem can be divided into 2, namely freshwater and seawater. 3. Artificial ecosystem. This ecosystem is man-made or created. Usually this is to meet needs and have diversity. Example of this ecosystem such a plantation, reservoirs, or irrigate rice fields. Ecosystem scope. Number 1 is biosphere, the entire ecosystem that works planet Earth, where every element affects each other. 2. Biome, the large scale of an ecosystem that has a similar climate and similarities to the flora and fauna that live in it. There are many ecosystems that make up a biome. 3. Ecosystem, a system of interaction between living things and their environment within a currency. 4. Community, the collection of various species of living things that inhabit an ecosystem. 5. Population, a collection of similar living things that exist in an ecosystem. 6. Individual, a unit of living things that can be part of a population. Interaction between species and food webs. Number 1 is mutualism, interaction in which species benefit from their relationship. 2. Parasitism, there is one party who is aggrieved because it is used as the host for the parasite to live and its resources are taken. Parasites have a much smaller body size than their host. 3. Commensalism, interaction between species where one party benefits but the other party does not and does not benefit. 4. Predation, the state where the larger and stronger species prey on other species that are smaller or weaker.
Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.